it's your favorite channel, and in this quick video, I've got you some new update concerning WCoin WAI airdrop. So, in the last video, we talked about the double TGE for WCoin coming with WCoin token and then the WAI airdrop. So, in this video, I want to show you how you can increase your WAI balance, because right now everything now is about the WAI because the W coin token drop has happened. All right, so before we get to this, quickly let's check something here. Okay, so if you check here, you can see here. Okay, look at it, you can see that the if you look at the roadmap, game launch, growing community, blockchain selection. So WCoin airdrop will soon become active after that exchange listing. So take note that there is no exchange listing yet, so we don't know. So no centralized exchange has listed WCoin. If there is any, it's still covert. So meaning that it's still not open, and we can't really trade it on any centralized exchange yet. However, I believe that you can, if you want to trade on DEX, you can trade on DEX, but I encourage or advise you not to sell yet. Please hold on. All right, so let's quickly talk about the WAI now. Okay, so if you look at this now, this is once you enter WCoin, and this is what you now see. This is WAI token balance. Now, the interesting thing about the WAI now is that what you see here is what you get. Do you understand? Because I don't think that they're going to be calculating, because this thing is being generated the way it is. So this is, you can see the you can see the dollar sign before the WAI there, meaning that this is the token itself. All right, so the only thing we now have to pray about is for the listing price to be really worth it upon TGE, so that all of these are waiting would have been really worth it, so that even this something new, this unheard of, this groundbreaking kind of double TGE that WCoin has just launched, introduced, will be worth celebrating, right? So, but let's quickly look at why I'm making this video. So, if you scroll up, so if you go here under WAI now, you can see, all right, so you can see here, I've already tapped yet, I've tapped to generate to get the one for today. Okay, so it's building for me. Okay, so if I go back here now, so let's scroll over to tax section. You can see my balance 35,042.63 WAI. So let's scroll up. Okay, let me, okay, I have to turn it the other way so that I can show. If I turn it, okay, let me turn it quickly. All right, so now you can see, now here you can see tax, and here it is. If you tap on watch ad daily, you will get in plus 100 WAI. So at this point, I am concerned. I hope that this plus 100 AI we're getting is actually plus 100 AI token, and I hope that at the end of the day, what I have as my balance here will really be it, and not that they're going to work out something again in the background and tell us whatever they want to tell us, or give us whatever they want to give us. Anyway, at least gather enough WAI on your own. So by watching us, so let's watch.
Gabatar da madarar Pink Dairy sama da shayin.
We are
Kai
completed.
dai zuba kawai ka more daɗinta.
So watch it now. You can see 100 has been added, so 35,142 now. So if you just tap again, the same thing will happen. Okay, so if you return back here, okay, let's come back to WAI. Okay, so you can see 35.1k now, right? Okay, so it's there. So you can always come to watch the ad. After watching the ad, you will gather some points. Now also here, claim your 100 USD now. So if you tap on this game now, you're also going to claim some. That's on that to do this game. So of course you open it, you claim. Okay, you can see that. All right, so let's quickly check the community and see if we have any information. Okay, I think okay, so let's scroll up and see what I can find more. These ones are no go area. No, 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 no. Okay. No, no, no. Okay. So anyone you see that you can go for, you just go for them. I think that's just what this is about. Okay, if you show full screen ads, all right, you get 100 too. Okay, all right. So this one, okay, I think that's it. All right. So you can just head over and build up your WAI balance. All right. So that's what this is about. How you can actually build your WAI balance. And so just watch ads. Okay. I think I'm about to claim another one. Okay, so I think there's yet another one. All right, I think that this is done now, so I can close this. You can see that it has increased. All right, so that is it. All right, so you just go ahead and complete the task there and increase your WAI balance. Hope you got some value here. Don't worry, more updates are coming to you on what you can do about your W coin. All right, so that's about it. Okay, more updates will be coming your way on how you can prepare yourself for the WAI token generation events, the airdrop event, the listing event. So what we need to now wait for the WCoin team to really give us is the day for the TGE, the day for the listing on centralized exchanges. The community is really, really waiting. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know if if you have started exploring your WAI again to really build up the balances so that at least it will be worth something. Wow, that is what it will be worth something. It will be worth the while, right? How do I put it? Please correct me or borrow me your English. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless you.